What's up, everybody? This is it. This is the end, but it's also the beginning of the rapid way to live. The rapid way to live. We've done 21 days, 21 rapid ways to win, but it's all about life. It's all about legacy. It's more than material goals and possessions. It's about mentality. It's about making those around you better and making your entire life and legacy a lot better. Listen, whether you join me for one day, two, three, five, or all 21, it still was worthwhile. As Les Brown said, anything worth doing is worth doing poorly till you learn to do it well. This is all about getting you to act fast. Goals, challenges, opportunities, whatever there may be in life, as you confront them, I want you to reach into your toolkit, reach into your toolbox, pull out the rapid way to win, and use that reflection, awareness, preparation, intention, and discipline to achieve and to succeed in life. You all, I enjoyed the journey. This has been phenomenal. It's time to celebrate in whatever way you deem fit or necessary. But remember, going forward, I want you to respond to life and not react. And when obstacles, challenges, opportunities, or any goals come your way, I want you to act fast by using the rapid way to win. I would love to hear your comments. I would love to hear feedback. And I would love for you to join me on my next journey. And that's going to be the rapid way to live. Hey, y'all, I'm Joshua Teachers. Day number 21. We finished it. You did it. 21 days, 21 rapid ways to win. I'll see y'all next time.